Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sitting on my floor, no really reason, but I am. As you can see by the title of this video, I will be doing a Fashionphile unboxing and review. So let's get in. If you don't know what Fashionphile is, it is kind of like a, I think they started off as a consignment shop, so you can buy and resell luxury items, and by luxury I mean like Gucci, Givenchy, Hermes, like it's a lot. Like I saw Hermes bag on there for like a Birkin bag for like $15,000. Like, so it's really high-end resell, and you can sell it and you can buy through them. There are a lot of companies like Fashionphile. There's Rebag, there's Tradesy, and there's What Goes Around Comes Around. I chose Fashionphile because they had the bag that I wanted. I've looked at Tradesy a lot, I've looked at Rebag a lot, but ultimately I did end up going with Fashionphile, and I will say that I had a great experience. So a few things that I did want to say, I will show you guys here. This is what it looked like on the website. I bought the Givenchy Antigona in a mini size, and on the website it shows you lots of pictures, which is really nice. You can see the bottom, the sides, the hardware, etc. And what's also really nice is that they give you, I think there's excellent, good, fair, and some other as far as condition. Mine was in excellent condition, which is crazy because this bag is from 2016. So I was like super surprised that it said that, but even when I opened it, I'm super surprised that it actually looks really good to be like pre-owned. But I do consider that some people have bags that they don't wear or just have in their collection, or just bought it and then just was like, nah, I really like this. So and what's really nice is that you can return this or you can sell it back. So it comes with tags, which I will show you guys. And so if you take the tag off, you can't return it and get your full refund. You can only buy it back and they give you a price. I will show you guys what, actually I don't know if I will, but I might show you guys what my buyback price is. I think it's like 80% of what you paid they'll buy it back for. But if you do get it and you decide you don't like it, or it's not what you thought it would be, whatever, you can return it, which is really nice. Some of these other websites don't allow that, which I can understand because it is luxury. Someone could give you back a, you know, a knockoff bag. However, you are spending a lot of money. So say you do, and right now we're in the middle of a pandemic, not that you should be buying a bag, but say that you do and you never tried it on, so the strap is too long, or it just doesn't look right on your body like how you thought it would. I would be very annoyed if I couldn't return it, because then I would have to resell it myself. So I like the fact that you can return it or sell it back. I did pay taxes, but there was free shipping, so not that that is just like a huge difference. I still spent a lot of money, but I don't know, I got free shipping. So let's get into my, I think that's all the little points I have. Let's get into my bag. This is what it came looking like, and this is the box. They have their own box. It says Fashionphile. It comes with, I think, you know, when it's packaged more beautifully, it looks just like that. It comes with a sealed receipt, which is so cool. Once I get more up there with my website, I definitely want to do something like this. This is really nice. And on the inside, it has my receipt. It has a little certification card to show that like it is real, and if you have an issue, you can send it back, get full return. And then it says just like shop, sell, repeat, and then it says cash for your bag. So all these cards in there. So then it comes in a Fashionphile dust bag, which is really nice. On the website it says that it comes in a dust bag, and I'm just thinking of the Givenchy dust bag, and I'm like, this is not their dust bag. So it comes with this dust bag, but the real dust bag, it is on the inside. So I'm happy that it comes with this because I can use this for something else. And here is my little baby bag. I love it so much. It's so cute. These are the tags that I was referring to. So if you cut these off, you can sell it back to them, but you can't return it for what you bought it for. So these are the tags that I haven't cut off yet. I just got this I got this yesterday. But so here is what the bag looks like. It is so pretty. It is the shiny Lord and calfskin. Honestly, I don't see any wear. Like, they said that there's wear on there, but I'm like, I don't see anywhere. So you open the bag like that, and the Givenchy dust bag is on the inside, which is nice and clean. And it comes with an adjustable strap. I did watch a lot of reviews of this bag because A, I've wanted it for like 4 years, and B, I just wanted to know like what other people thought, because I was looking at the Alma BB by Louis Vuitton, and the strap people said really bothered them. So not saying that that made me want to get this more, it's just, I don't know, that made me not want to get that. I guess that's what I would say about that. But so this strap has like a opening right there, and that has the latch right there that these two connect. So this connects, like you have to put it you have to put it through there to get this on, which is nice because it seems like it won't come off as easily. But people did say that they had issues with it, but obviously I haven't worn this to try it. This is a little baby bag, so you can wear it. I'm not standing up obviously, but you can wear it like on the crook of your arm, or you can wear it crossbody. Top handle is my favorite. That's honestly why I love this so much. But you can also make this longer or shorter. This hits me when I'm standing up. It goes right to my hip, which is perfect. I think this is the perfect size for me because I have a small frame, so I didn't want anything that, like a speedy 30 would be way too big for me. Even like this is a mini, even the small would be like way too big for me. But anyways, back to this. It also comes with the little card that came with the bag, and the inside is open. It has a zip compartment here, and then it has 2 compartments on the opposite side. But I love how it's open. This bag is so small, but I could fit my, this isn't my planner, this is my notebook, but my notebook can go in there. Yeah, so this fits in there, which is pretty big, but I think it'll fit a lot. I'm super excited for it. Again, I am super satisfied with the quality. I'm super satisfied with Fashionphile overall. Like, I had no issues. I literally ordered it and they shipped in a good time frame, and I'm just really happy, and I would absolutely shop with Fashionphile again. I feel like if they sent me stuff, like even when it got delivered yesterday, they sent me an email to tell me that it was delivered, which I guess other companies do that as well. But I've been having a lot of issues with my deliveries lately, so maybe that's why I felt like thank you for letting me know, because there's some stuff I ordered a month ago and it's not even here. So I'm really happy to have this. My birthday is tomorrow, so I'm so excited. This is my birthday gift to self. This is, I would say my first luxury handbag. I do have a Stella McCartney, but it's a tote bag, and so this is my first luxury handbag. So I'm very excited. I will give you guys like maybe like a year review if I remember a year from now. But yeah, so if you are interested in buying pre-loved, I would recommend Fashionphile. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment and I will make sure I get back to you guys. But other than that, that's all. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.